Here are 5 things that they don't tell you about this Oxygenics Pure Shower Genius handheld shower head. All right, well, I guess number 1 would be like the most interesting reason that you would buy this probably is because it has 7 different settings. Now, that's pretty cool. This Waterpik also has 7 different settings. But the thing is, I bought this one for the massage setting. And the massage setting on this comes out of these 2 big jets. And it's really weak. This is like intense. So right out of the box, I'm going to tell you the best part. That'll probably help you make your decision. But I don't know. Maybe one of these other ones will influence you. Number 2, this is really inexpensive. This was less than $31 at Lowe's. And I got to say, so it's like, say you are a landlord and you have to replace a shower head. This is about the same price as a regular shower head. So you might as well give your tenants like something, kind of cool. So that's up to you if you want to do that. Number 3, this thing is super easy to install, but they all are pretty easy to install. You don't need any tools. And in fact, this one came with plumber's tape, which is the stuff you put around the threads so that it doesn't leak. This did not, even though this was more expensive, this Waterpik. So there's that. All right. Number 4, this one has a really cool cord. So you can see this one's like kind of stainless, normal. This one is like serpentine, like it's got like black in the middle, and it just like is way more attractive just dangling there. It looks like there's this really awesome, like futuristic automated snake in your bathtub, which I thought was pretty cool. So, number 5, this thing's going to save you money. This will probably pay for itself. If you did not have a water-saving shower head to begin with, this thing's going to save you a ton of money. I don't know if it'll actually save you that much money, but if this thing costs $30, I mean, and you had a regular shower head that was blasting out water, this thing has some water-saving settings that'll make anybody who's eco-conscious very happy. So those are 5 things you needed to know, and they didn't tell you about this Oxygenics. But I got to tell you, I got the Waterpik, so this one's going back. So have a great day. Smashing a like for me helps me and keeps me alive. And see you on the next one. Thanks for subscribing.